Boom. You see? Y'all see the LV? Hold on, let me make sure. What's up, 2Fly fam? Go back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2Fly B, and today I got another review for y'all today. And today we doing a bracelet, as y'all seen by the title, Louis Vuitton. Let's go and hop into it. As y'all know, if y'all don't know, I shop online. 99.9% of the time I'm shopping online, man. I won't be going to the stores for real. So when I'm unboxing, I'm showing y'all unboxing how it would be if you was to order it online. So I ordered this online, and let me show you what it comes with. So when you order it, it comes with this here. It says Louis Vuitton. It's like a little envelope. I'm gonna open it up. That's how it looks when you open it up. Alright, so if you go in, this is just if you ever wanted to exchange it or return it. They show you how to do it step by step. Over here you got another LV. This is all like the paperwork and authentication. It's just showing what I got, which was a bracelet. They send a return label if you want to return it. And then they send this. This also says Louis Vuitton. And it's just a thank you message. It says, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artists with exclusive materials. Then packed with the utmost care following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances, such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectants, as they can damage leather and canvas products. That's good to know. Y'all didn't know that. And then it just says, find our complete care instructions on their website. So yeah, y'all, that's good to know. They tell you about it, because I didn't know that about the, you know, not having it around oils and all that stuff. Getting on to the bracelet. This is the box it comes in. So when you order it, this is what it looks like. Like I tell you, I'll be putting stuff around, so it might not look super fresh, man, because I'll be going up in there to wear it. I want to do a review. Okay, bet. So look, y'all, you got a ribbon on it. It says Louis Vuitton on the ribbon in red. The box itself is an orange colorway. It says Louis Vuitton here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a face. Yeah, y'all can see that. The face there. And then as y'all see the tab, I can pull this out. So I'm finna see what's in here. I don't think I can pull this out. It has a mini envelope came out. It's just a white empty card. Put that back. So I'm finna put this back up in here. Alright, I'm also finna take this off. I took this off. So now this is the box. Like we see, just seeing Louis Vuitton going around it. Nothing, no branding on the back. It's just all orange. And down here we have a blue pull tab. So you pull this out. When you pull this out, and it says Louis Vuitton in black. The strings are blue to, you know, pull it open and out. Then on the inside of that, now this do come all the way out, so you can just take it all the way out. It's like a sleeve, nothing else to it. Alright, this came in there. It just says Louis Vuitton. Exterior coated fabric, interior calfskin. And the other side, just a different language. But alright, y'all, let's go ahead and set this to the side so we can get into the bag. Okay, this is a drawstring bag, like I told y'all already. Nice drawstring bag. Y'all know I like attention to details. I honestly just feel like when we spend a lot of money on these items, at least let us have some nice packaging. So I actually look forward to unboxing stuff. I look forward to the presentation of things. Let us feel like we getting our money's worth, you know? Inside, open it up, and it's just right here, and it just comes out just like this. Yes, sir. Now this is a simple bracelet. It's just black. You see it has the Louis V print on it as well. This is the monogram print. They have monogram and damier print. This is the monogram, which is like, and you see some of this stuff is like gray standing out on this side as well. The main thing, hold on, let's get around to the back too. So on the back is numbers. I was trying to see, I don't know if it was the size right here. You got the little clip, little snap, because it snaps in to place. On this side, you have little something that it says. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. You know we love stuff from out the country. Let's see if there's anything else I want to show you. Also, this is a nice little attention to detail on the snap, because I told you it snaps. So like here, so it'll go around. You get the snap coming to here, and it snaps into place. Now, when it snaps into place, though, what's nice is the attention to detail. The bun on the outside, it says LV for Louis Vuitton as well. And I honestly feel like this is just nice, man. And coming to the front, which is the main attraction. Boom. You see? Y'all see the LV? Hold on, let me make sure. Hold on. Alright, so y'all see the LV? Looks good, man. It's like this. What color would I say? I'm not sure, man, because it's not silver exactly. But it looks like a dark, maybe like a dark silver, if that makes sense, because it's not black. On camera it might be showing black, but it's not black for real. But it's nice. It's not silver, so it's not as bright as, you know what I'm saying, like my rings. But I don't know, it's a good mixture, and I just feel like this would be great for me because I wear dark colors a lot. And it's like I say, it's not a bright silver, so when you catch it, it'll catch you. Also, this is a big LV. They have another one with a smaller LV. No, we went the big one. It's the big one, not the little one. So it's square. I think the LV, the smaller one, I think is a circle. So you know the big one because you get the square. And I like it a lot. Let me put it on so I can show y'all how it look. No, just a nice accessories to put on your wrist, you know, to add with your watch. Well, if you wear both. And if you don't, this is good enough to just stand alone. I see the LV. So this is how I look. It's upside down right now because my arm is upside down. But I like the LV, like it hit good. Especially because I wear my bracelets with my watches. So it just look good. And even if I just wanted to wear this by itself on this arm, it still look good, man. I done did both. Let me see, show y'all. But anyway, man, so this is it for this review. It wasn't too much to it, it's just a bracelet, but this is a nice Louis Vuitton bracelet. And I'll put this on here just so y'all can see the LV again. The LV is nice. If you were looking for a bracelet, if you need a bracelet that's black, if you like Louis Vuitton, I will recommend it. It's a lot of nice other black bracelets out there as well, so make sure you pay attention. I mean, make sure you look around first and browse. But I know specifically I wanted the LV bracelet because I like how the LV just sits on your wrist, and I like the size of it, and I also like the black with the gray monogram print, hence the gray. So that's it for this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, like the video, comment, let me know if you got this bracelet, if you would get this bracelet, how y'all feel, what's y'all thoughts on the bracelet. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 2FlyB, Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up, and I'm gonna get with your next video. Be smooth.